So do you know that most people got this maths problem wrong? So we have 3 to the power of a multiplied by 3 to the power of a is equals to 45. So let's now work it with solution. So we shall take the shortest time possible. So 3 to the power of a multiplied by 3 to the power of a is equals to 45. So according to the law of exponents, when we have a to the power of m multiplied by n, this one can be written as a to the power of m plus n. So now 3 to the power of a multiplied by 3 to the power of a, we shall have it as 3 to the power of a plus a, that is 2a. So now 3 to the power of 2a shall now be is equals to 45. So the next step now is to introduce the log on both sides. So now we shall have the log of 3 to the power of 2a is equals to the log of 45. So assuming that when you have the log of p to the power of k, which shall write it as k, the log of p. So now we shall now have 2a the log of 3 is equals to the log of 45. So now we shall divide both sides by the log of 3. So that is divide by the log of 3, then also divide by the log of 3. So log 3 and log 3 cancels, so 2a is equals to the log of 45, then all over the log of 3. So simplifying that maths problem, so now we shall say that 2a is equals to, so the log of 45 can be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 15, then into bracket all over the log of 3. So according to the law of logarithm, when you have the log of k multiplied by m, this one can be given as the log of k plus the log of m. So now 2a, we shall have it as the log of 3 plus the log of 15, then all over the log of 3. So now we shall now divide both sides by the log of 3, so that 2a is equals to, so log 3, then all over the log of 3, then plus the log of 15 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 3, then into bracket all over the log of 3. So next now we shall say that 2a is equals to, so log 3 and log 3 cancels, we shall now have 1 plus, so here now we shall have log 5 plus the log of 3, then all over the log of 3. So divide also log 5 and log 3 by the log 3, so 2a is equals to 1 plus, so log 5 all over the log of 3, then plus log 3 all over the log of 3. So that 2a is equals to, so 1 plus, so log 5 all over the log of 3, then plus, so log 3 and log 3 cancels, we shall have it as 1. So now 2a in this case is equals to, so 1 plus 1 is 2, so now we shall have 2 plus log 5 all over the log of 3. So when we have, for example, the log of p all over the log of m, so we can write it as the log of p to the base of m. So that now we shall have it as 2a is equals to 2 plus the log of 5 to the base of 3. So remember that we have this 2a here, so we are trying to find the value for a. So for us to do away with it, divide both sides by 2, then also all of this by 2. So that 2 by 2 now shall cancel, so a is equals to 2 plus the log of 5 to the base of 3 all over 2. So when you factorize the answer for the value for a, so now the value for a is equals to, so 2 by 2 now shall cancel, so now we shall have 1, then plus, so here now we shall have a half the log of 5 to the base of 3. So now these are now shall qualifies to be almost correct and the best answer. So I believe you got this as the correct answer. So let's now confirm it. So when we confirm, we bring the maths problem that we had. So we had 3 to the power of a, then multiply by 3 to the power of a is equals to 45. So let's now check it by confirming it properly. So now we shall have 3 to the power of, so our a is 1, then plus a half the log of 5 to the base of 3, then also multiply by 3 to the power of 1 plus a half the log of 5 to the base of 3 should give us 45. So when we rewrite this maths problem, we shall still have now 3 to the power of 1. So plus shall changes to multiplication, then multiply by 3 to the power of a half the log of 5 to the base of 3, multiply by 3 to the power of 1, then again multiply because of plus 3 to the power of a half the log of 5 to the base of 3 is equals to 45. So 3 to the power of 1 is 3, multiplied by, so here now when you have the log to the base of 3 shall cancel with this 3. So now we shall have 5 to the power of a half, then also multiply by 3 to the power of 1 is 3, then multiply by the log to the base of 3 shall cancel with 3. Now we shall have 5 then to the power of a half is equals to 45. So here now we shall now have it as 3 multiplied by, so 5 to the power of a half, we shall now have the root of 5 multiplied by 3, then 5 to the power of a half, we shall have the root of 5 is equals to 45. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, so now we shall have 9 multiplied by root 5 multiplied by the root of 5 is equals to 45. Then here now 9 multiplied by, so root 5 multiplied by root 5 is 5 is equals to 45. So 9 times 5 is 45 is equals to 45. So now it means that our answer is very correct. When we agree and say that the correct answer for the value for a is equals to 1, then plus a half the log of 5 to the base of 3. So if you have learned something on how to solve this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.